How to see your Reels watch history. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening your Facebook and simply go to your profile on the top right corner. Once you have entered here, you have to scroll all the way down to this settings and privacy. Simply click on that one time and this will opens up this menu where you have to click on this settings, which is the first option. Once you are here, you have to again scroll all the way down to this your activity and simply click on this activity log. Once you have clicked on that, again you have to scroll down to this groups, events and reels. Simply click on that and again this will open up a large menu where you have to select your reels. Once you have clicked on that, as you can see, I haven't watched any reels and liked any reels yet, so there will be all of your history. So you can simply click on this archive to remove it, or you can simply click on the trash which you have deleted the reels. All the reels will be here once you have deleted them from your watch history. So if I go back, as you can see, reels audio you have saved, so their history will be also available here, so you can also check them out. So that's how basically you can see your reels watch history.